Role plays and simulations. Taking information gap activities to the next level. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make English language learning a breeze. Today, we are focusing on a fascinating part of our series on information gap activities. We'll be delving into role plays and simulations. These activities are a fun, interactive way to practice English and bridge any information gaps. They can help improve fluency and confidence in using the language. So, let's get started. When we talk about role plays and simulations in English language learning, what do we mean? Role plays are learning activities where you act out a specific role, often in a specific situation. It might be a conversation at a coffee shop, an interview, or a doctor's appointment. It's all about practicing real-world conversations. On the other hand, simulations are larger-scale activities where a real-life situation is mimicked, often involving multiple roles and longer scenarios. You could simulate a business meeting, a school day, or even a trip to the airport. Both these methods aim to help you practice using English in practical, realistic settings. They're especially useful in improving your conversational English and learning to ask and answer questions. You might be wondering, how do we go about doing these role plays and simulations? Here are the steps. 1. Choose a scenario. First, decide on a situation that you want to act out. Make it as realistic as possible. 2. Identify the roles. In any situation, there are different roles that people play. Identify these roles and who will play them. 3. Prepare. Learn about your role, the words, phrases, and questions you might use. 4. Perform. Act out the situation, and try to only use English. 5. Reflect. After the role play or simulation, reflect on how it went. What did you do well? What could be improved? Remember, the key is to immerse yourself in the role and situation. It's all about practice. Why should you use role plays and simulations in your English language learning journey? There are multiple benefits. 1. Authentic language use. You get to use English in a realistic context. 2. Confidence building. These activities can help build your confidence in speaking English. 3. Fun and engaging. Role plays and simulations make learning English more interactive and enjoyable. 4. Improve fluency. By continuously practicing, you can improve your English fluency. 5. Develop problem-solving skills. Since you're acting out real-life situations, you also get to work on your problem-solving skills. That's it for today's lesson on role plays and simulations in English language learning. Remember, these activities are about more than just memorizing words and phrases. They are about using English in context and becoming comfortable with conversational English. Try to incorporate them into your English learning routine, and you'll surely see improvements in your fluency and confidence. Keep practicing, and remember, every conversation is an opportunity to learn. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Happy learning!